PENN stock Monday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. PENN Entertainment stock sitting at $20.80. It's 3% up for the day. So first thing that I'll say is I'll just come here to the weekly chart, tell you this, that it's a bearish market. Like for first glance, seems like might be going off the grid here, but I'm not really sold out on this because range is still coming from this high. So before I get into the details, I've done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and as a result, this strategy has delivered thousands of correct predictions, and specifically with PENN. Yeah, there you go. You know, there you go. I'm not really selling out on this buy. It's, yeah, that's a weird saying, but I'm talking, if I saw a double break, I was willing to short, and that double break meant, like, we see the first break, but one break is not enough, so it's a second break that's actually gonna give me the confidence for me to short, let's put it that way. But in the other side, where we're right now, it's like in between two worlds. So it really depends whether the price breaks the highs or not. So if it breaks the highs at 22.40 first, then this is going to be diluted. But if it breaks the lows at 18.79, then we're participating lower. Now, if you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter. Click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next